Welcome to the session on geometry, measuring sides of triangles and quadrilaterals. The objectives for this session are learning how to measure the sides of triangles and quadrilaterals. A scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are of different lengths, as shown in this example or picture here. In order to measure the sides of this triangle, we place a ruler on one of the sides of the triangle, as shown here. We need to match the 0 on one end, like so, and then read off the length on the other, like so. So notice that this second arrow is pointing towards the number 16. Therefore, this length is 16 centimeters. Let's do this again. We now place a ruler on one of the other sides of the triangle, as shown here. Match the 0 on one end, and then read off the length on the other, to give this length as 6.5 centimeters. And similarly with the third side. Place the ruler on the side of the triangle, like this. Match the 0 on one end, like so, and then read off the length on the other, as shown here, to give that the third length is 20 centimeters. A quadrilateral is a simple closed figure having 4 sides. It also has 4 angles and 4 vertices. In order to measure the sides for quadrilateral, we do as we did with the triangle. Place a ruler on one of the sides of the quadrilateral, as shown. Match the 0 on one end, and then read off the length on the other, like so, to give us, in this example, 8 centimeters. Similarly for the other sides. Place a ruler on one of the sides, as shown. Match the 0 here, and then read off the length on the other end, here, to give us 9.5 centimeters. And again for the next side, match the 0, and then read off the length, to give us 11.5 centimeters. And finally for the fourth side. Similarly, place a ruler on this side, like so, match the 0 on one end, and read off the length on the other. And in this example, the fourth side is 9 centimeters. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood its contents, you should be able to measure the sides of triangles and quadrilaterals. Thank you very much for listening. To understand the topic in greater depth, do attempt the exercises in your textbook related to this topic.